Okay, hi boys and girls, it's Miss Roth, and you're going to be looking at your grade 1 mathematics book. We're going to turn to page 6, so turn your pages, and we're going to do this example together. We have 4 examples, so we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 in order, and we're going to show you some cubes to represent our objects in these board problems. So the first example has to do with Sue and Juan's erasers. So they're going to be putting their erasers into a bag. So let's see. Sue has 2 erasers. 1, 2. Juan has 3 erasers. 1, 2, 3. How many erasers are there in all? I wonder how I can count these. Well, I could count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many erasers are there in all? 5. So I would put that number here, and then I'd also write it in this section. There are 5 erasers in all. Let's move on to example 2. So, and if you have anything at home that you want to count with, like Cheerios or M&Ms, that would be fun too. You can count along with us. So now we have marbles. Example 2 is about marbles. So, how many marbles are there in all? Anna has 6 marbles. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wish I had M&Ms to do this so I could eat them after. And Tom has 4 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're going to put all those marbles into a bag, and we want to figure out how many marbles are there in all. So I could count every single marble, but that would take a really long time. So I'm going to show you a strategy called counting on. So I know that there are 6 marbles that Anna has, and now I'm going to count on. So keep 6 in your brain, and now let's count on from 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 marbles in all. So I'd write 10 on my answer. All right, so for example 3, we're going to have a mystery number in here. So we're going to start with 3 blocks. So let's find 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. And then we have some blocks in the bag. Now we don't know how many we have, so that's our mystery we need to figure out. So here's our bag that we have right here. So we're going to dump these out of the bag and see our total number is 8. So let's see our total together. Make sure it's 8. All right, we're going to move those around, make sure we have 8. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. So now we need to figure out how many were inside the bag. So we started with our blue cubes. Now we have our yellow cubes. So let's figure out how many yellow cubes were in the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there must have been 5 that were in the bag. So that would create our equation 3 plus 5 equals 8. Awesome. All right, we're going to move on to example 4. So for example 4, we're going to be using some bigger numbers. So we're going to be using our counting on strategy. So we're going to start with 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now again, if you have anything at home that you can count along with us, please take those out and do it with us because it'll really help your brain grow. And now we're going to be adding 7 more. But instead of counting them all together, we're going to keep 9 in our brain. So we have the number 9 in our head. Now we're going to count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So all together, let's double check and make sure we have 16 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So our total will be 16 blocks in all. All right, boys and girls, so after we do these 4 examples, you're going to turn your page. And this is going to be a challenge try it. So you're going to challenge your brain and you're going to try these problems on your own. And after you finish this challenge page, you're going to go to the practice pages, which are very similar to what we were doing all together. So there's going to be a bunch of word problems. You're going to go through all of those until you get to the smiley face, and then you're going to stop. And if you're struggling with these, you can always restart the video and do the examples with us together, and that should help you with these problems. Thanks for tuning in, and check us out for our next lesson.